Meow, today on Customer States What? Customer states I have a rattle. Please check and advise. Say no more, fam. We got you. You know what we're going to do. We're going to do the multi-point and we're going to look around. And great googly moogly. First thing we look at is this castle nut. That castle nut is no longer castling. Let's pan out a little bit. Let's look at the other one. Ooh-wee. Struggling at life. Backing plates? Nope. No longer needed. This is a race car. We're looking for the weight reduction. So we're looking around and we can still see more flavor. Let's go further down, because you know the further down we go, the further into flavor country we go. And we could see what our noise is. What has become of the gas tank heat shield is now returning to the earth of which it came from. Let's go further back though, because I'm hungry and these shocks are looking like some legs of fried chicken. Oh, actually, not for nothing, we can tell exactly which side faces the ocean. And the driver's side definitely faces the ocean, because we can still see paint here. You can't see any paint there. Oh, a little bit right there. Well, you get what I'm getting at. Great googly moogly. So we're going to have to recommend a new heat shield. There's no play in the ball joints, so we're not going to recommend replacement, but we're going to tell them to keep an eye on that suspension, because flavor has gotten to it. And if you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further flavor.